PR88 is applied to clean hands before work. Since PR88 is water-soluble, it is important that the hands are absolutely dry to ensure that the hands are effectively protected against dirt like dust, silicone paste, or other work-related materials. PR88 does an excellent job in the paint shop, as seen here with dry sanding. When perfect results are expected, a perfect sanding has to be done. In spite of all technical help, there is no substitute to expert touch. Soiling with dust particles is unavoidable. But even here, PR88 is the ideal protector. PR88 also protects against sealing agents. On this job, sensitive fingers are required. Automotive paint shops prefer this method for the final touch. This way, the seal achieves its smoothness. PR88 avoids the direct contact between the sealing compound and the skin. PR88 protects as well against strong adhesives as, for example, this filler. For these jobs, the usual gloves are not ideal. For this reason, the filler is applied by hand. PR88 avoids the adhering of the filler against the skin. In general, after work, detergents and/or other tough cleaning mediums can be avoided. If PR88 was applied properly before work, then hand cleaning does not present any problems. The hands are simply cleaned with clear water. All dirt is washed away together with the protective film of PR88. If required, PR Clean products can be used to clean any residual soiling.